Morning everybody. We're in Bratislava and we're walking what looks like 1,000 steps.
Literally. In
30-degree heat. God. Welcome to the vlog anyway. It's been a little while since I've been away doing anything, but I'm back with Rob this time.
Hi.
I've mentioned Rob before in my Lithuania video. If you haven't seen that, please check it out.
Yeah, it's really good.
Thank you very much. But yeah, I mentioned him before in that video, but we're together on this trip. Collab. Smash that like button. We're together on this trip in Bratislava, Slovakia. I decided to do something a bit different this time. We're actually staying in a hostel. Totally normal for Rob.
Yeah, I basically live in hostels, but it's your first time.
Yeah. What
did you think of it?
I tell you what, we got here last night, sort of mid-afternoon. I tried to vlog a little bit yesterday, but we got caught up with this girl who turned out to work at our hostel. She gave us a totally unplanned, let's be honest, a totally unplanned tour of the whole city. But it's so nice to have an opportunity like that. Oh, hello! Great. Yeah, it was really useful, and she taught us she told us so many things that you just wouldn't know. Didn't ask for anything. She came for dinner with us then after and showed us this like Slovakian restaurant, which turned out to be a monastery thing. It was weird. If we say what we did last night in plain English, it sounds so strange. But yeah, I'm starting the vlog today because last night was actually really good to get used to the city, to get used to the heat. But yeah, we're off today. We're off today now. We're going to wander around the city for a bit. Is it the Russian memorial? Yes. We're going to go and visit the Russian memorial first, and then I think later on there's some castle ruins that we're going to go and visit as well. If we don't die on the way, because
yeah, we'll try not to shrivel up. Like the
heat is unreal at the moment. It's really nice, and I say if you're near the ocean, smashing. But when you're in the middle of a fairly busy city on public transport,
nowhere to run.
No, nowhere to run. But anyway, we're off to the Russian memorial, so I'll catch you in a bit. There it is. I feel like we've earned the view, for sure.
Yeah.
It's absolutely huge. I've seen it on other people's vlogs and things. It doesn't look as big as it does in the flesh.
Massive.
Massive monument. Right, we're chilling out in the shade a little bit near the monument, just taking it in and stuff anyway. But yeah, we need a bit of a break from the sun. The monument itself is like I think it's the burial ground of a load of Russian soldiers from the Second World War. It's sort of a quite peaceful place. I think you've got to be quite respectful, but it's jaw-dropping the size of it. It's absolutely huge. I don't think you can see it actually. It's massive. It's absolutely huge. Yeah, I think I might get the drone up in a little bit if I can find some space. But yeah. Just taking it in, and the view of the rest of the city from here, because we had to climb so high to get here, the view of the rest of the city is spectacular. You can see like the main castle in Bratislava and all of the other buildings and stuff. It looks really, really nice. But yeah, what a view though. Right, me and Rob are just leaving the memorial now. We've been there, I don't know, half an hour, 40 minutes, something. Yeah. Really good to see, really like peaceful place, and there's a lot of history there. But we're leaving that now. Fantastic view of the city from there. If you come to Bratislava, I would 100% recommend going there. Just for the view really, it's really good. But yeah, easy to get to as well. Easy to get to. Be prepared if it's a hot day that it's an uphill walk the whole way, but now we've got a downhill walk because we're going back into town to get some food. I didn't vlog really any of this yesterday, but we went out for quite a big meal yesterday with our like free tour guide that we accumulated.
Accumulated, such a nice way of putting it. I can give you some of the footage that I took.
Yeah, I'll
snip it in here.
I'll put some of the footage of our meal last night in now.
Are you struggling there, buddy?
Just a bit.
You struggling, pal?
No, fine.
Trying to get into your port knuckle. There it is, there's the good stuff. Face of a man defeated.
It was so nice. It was so, honestly, it was so nice. But it's so big as well. I don't really want to. I don't want to eat any more.
Ever.
Anything. Ever.
So we went out for that meal last night, and I didn't really film any of it, but it was such a big meal. I wasn't hungry this morning, so I haven't eaten any breakfast. It is now 11:30 a.m. Obviously, we're going to. Why did I say obviously? Of course, it's a.m.
11:30 at night.
Yeah, it's now 11:30. We're just heading down now to get some sort of lunch or something, a drink preferably as well. My bottle of water is getting really warm. I'd like a nice cold Slovakian fizzy drink. But yeah, we're heading down there now to get some food, and then I think later on we're going to head to the castle that we spoke out of the city. But yeah, I'm hungry, so let's go. Yeah, sure. Hello. Have a little look at that first.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Wow, thank you. What is yours again? I forgot to ask. It's veg, isn't it?
Grilled vegetables, yeah. Peppers, aubergine,
Onion.
whatever the English word for zucchini is.
Yeah. I don't
What
know.
is it?
I don't know. I have no idea.
English word for zucchini.
Squash? No,
Squash. It's similar to a squash. Like the vegetable is similar to a squash. It's the heat, I would think.
If you're watching this video and you know the answer, please comment below.
Comment below, smash that like button, hit subscribe.
That was heavy, wasn't it?
I've never weighed this much in my life. After last night and then that huge pizza, I am officially 3 times my normal body weight.
I forgot entirely what I was going to say then. Yeah, we've just had a really massive. We went for a light lunch. We chose pizza because we thought it was going to be nice and light.
Not the lightest choice.
It wasn't the lightest choice, really, was it? Now we're walking back through to the centre. We are going to get a, what's it called again? The
What?
what's the, is it
Devon Castle.
Devon Castle, that's the name of it. It's like in the ruins of an old castle on the hill just outside of Bratislava. We're going to go and visit that this afternoon. First though, we're just taking a walk to the bus via Michael's Gate.
St. Michael's Gate.
Is it St. Michael's Gate? One of the two.
Saint.
Well, one of those. It's one of the oldest things in the city of Bratislava, like one of the oldest recorded historical thing. I don't know. It's really old. So we're going to walk through that now. No idea.
Sorry, I just got distracted by someone's dog.
That's fine.
Oh, here it is.
Yes, here it is. That was quicker than I thought it was. It's huge.
Yeah, isn't it?
I didn't think it was that tall, to be fair. I don't really know. I think it was just an entrance to the original old town, like with one of the thoroughfares or something to it. But it's massive.
Yes, from the Netherlands.
Oh, nice. I went to visit a friend a few months ago in Almere.
Alkmaar?
Almere?
Almere, yes, Almere.
Yeah. So kind of near.
Yeah. Yeah. Did you like it?
Yeah. I loved it. Very relaxed.
Yeah, it's an old city.
Quiet, but enjoy it.
Have a nice day.
Likewise, see ya.
Nice to meet you.
What a nice couple they were. Very nice. We were just looking at this plaque thing, and then that tells you how far like all these major cities are. We noticed that, or she noticed that Amsterdam wasn't on there, and then you got chatting about the bloody Netherlands.
About the Netherlands. I love the Netherlands.
He does.
So any opportunity.
If you
to
like
speak
videos
with
about the
them,
Netherlands, go on Rob's channel.
subscribe.
Smash that.
I didn't say it.
We're going to make our way now to the bus terminal thing, bus place. We've got to get 2 buses now to Devon Castle.
It's going to be worth it though, I've heard it's amazing.
It is going to be worth it.
I've heard it's amazing.
It's supposed to be really old and we like old stuff, so
Yeah.
we're going to get a nice sweaty bus over to there, whack the drone out, take a little look, see what it's got to offer. I think we'll be really close to the Austrian border as well when we're there.
Oh yes!
We're gonna get the bus and then I'll catch you in Devon Castle. Right, we've just stepped off one of the sweatiest buses I've ever been on in my life. But we're now in the town, or what did you call it, settlement?
I call it a settlement.
Settlement
yeah,
of Devon.
Just literally on the street.
Yeah, it's not, there's nothing going on here. Apart from this huge castle ruins thing. We're gonna try and get right up there. But yeah, we'll see how that, see if I die on the way, because I'm baking at the moment. Are you filming me film? Wow. You ready?
Ready.
It's a little bit breezy, you can probably hear it on the camera, but I'm hoping it's not too breezy when we get up there, because I can get some shots with the drone and see what it turns out like there. Yeah, I'm impressed already. We paid €5 each to get in, but already we're reaping the rewards. It's lovely. Yeah, this is the view from the top of the castle. From what we can understand by the map that's there, this is Slovakia, that's Austria, and that's Austria. So we're like staring at Austria, which is, I know it's like not a real border, it's like a not physical border, but kind of strange to just peep into another country. No, it's really, really good. It's really, really good. Really as well, like you can see a 360 view of the whole area. It's really cool, really cool. We're just gonna make our way down, make our way back into Bratislava, and then I think we're cooking tonight.
That's the party.
That's the party tonight, right? But yeah, what a view. So guys, it's day 2. It's the day I'm actually... Yeah, it is actually day 3.
Day 3!
Yeah, it's day 3 actually. I'm actually leaving this afternoon, unfortunately. I have to say, I'm not looking forward to leaving as such, but I am looking forward to getting out of this heat. Very humid, very hot, very sweaty. So I'm looking forward to that. But we've had a really, really nice time. Today has been a bit of a DOS day, and I think it will be. Got absolutely nothing planned. We've been wandering for what, 2 hours?
Yeah, it's just been
2 hours now. It's been quite nice actually. But yeah, I just thought I'd sort of, I don't know, I suppose I'd end the vlog today on the chill day. Today, to be fair, we're not really doing anything, so I'm not going to vlog a great deal from now on.
Let's get ice cream.
We've got no plan. Yeah, ice cream is the only real plan. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to leave you with a nice little montage of Bratislava. It is a beautiful city, really is really nice, exceeded my expectations to be fair, because a lot of people say it's very small and there's not a lot to do. Partially true, partially true, but if you're like us and you like old buildings and old stuff and just general scenery, good views of the city, because there's lots of like hills and points where you can get good photos and stuff. If you like that, then it's a fantastic place to visit. But yeah, we're not doing a great deal, so I'm going to end the vlog now. If you like the video and you want to see more, you know, consider
come to my channel and watch my video.
Yes, and please, please, please visit Rob's channel if you haven't already. I actually was introduced to Rob through YouTube. Like this is actually the second time we've met in person. Like this trip.
First time Peterborough, second time Slovakia.
Second time Slovakia, as you do. But yeah, if you've made it this far in the video, like, I appreciate that a lot. Please like or comment and just tell me what you think. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you wherever I see you.
Bye!
Bye!